Hey guys, Fuzzy here, back with another Animal Jam video, and I'm super excited because it's Thursday, and that means only one thing, a new Animal Jam update. So let's see this then. New land. After the events of the River's Heart, the Alphas have unanimously decided to return the ancient Heartstone, new animal, to its land of origin, Balush. These forgotten wetlands are located in the northwest portion of the world map, and the Alphas have now deemed this new land safe for everyone to explore. Even now, Balush still holds many secrets and mysteries, which will hopefully come to light soon. Don't know why I said soon like that. Soon. In celebration of International Polar Bear Day on the 27th, polar bears and pet polar bears are back on sale for the next 2 weeks only. These incredible animals have a lot to teach us about climate change in the north, so don't forget to check out the banners around Jamar and learn some cool polar bear facts. To get to Balush and its brand new den item shop, you can either click on it in the top left corner of the world map, or take the new pathways from Appendale and Mount Javir. I just realised it's been 3 years since the last new land. A brand new land also means a brand new page in the journey book. I love collecting journey book items. Keep your eyes peeled for Balush's unique wildlife and click on all of them to unlock an exclusive item. We have heard rumors that polar Arctic foxes might I can't wait. I just love Arctic foxes so much. That might be my next main look. If you didn't hear that whisper, I said, I can't wait. I love Arctic foxes so much. That might be my next main look. So, as I was saying, polar Arctic foxes might soon be making their way to Jamar. Thought to be only a myth, these rare animals are rumored to have beautiful fractal frost patterns on their fur and a trail of snowflakes that follows them as they walk. What do you think, Jammers? Are you excited to become one of these wonderful winter animals? You bet I am. Emote box. What is an emote box? And why am I speaking like this? I don't know, I just like to speak like this. Anyway, the spring subscription box is here. This time around, celebrate everyone's favorite cat-eared emote. Whether you're happy or sad or a little mischievous, you won't want to miss the secret swag, really, inside this box. No, I will not. I always spend my diamonds instead of saving them up, so sadly I can't get one of those new polar bears, but I'll see the price anyway. Let's see. Just 5 diamonds. That's really cheap. Why can't they make it non-member? Look at this. No. That's just kawaii. Anyway, as I said, I can't buy the new animal or pet that came in the update. So I'll end the video here by saying thank you so much for watching, guys. Goodbye.